Hi all, myself Dr.G.Priyadharshini, studying Dr. S.N.S. College of Education, B.Ed final year. My pedagogy is Commerce. Here I am deliver a Zepto business model canvas. Let us see about how Zepto came into the world and they are doing their business successfully. Want groceries delivered to your doorsteps? Well, now that is easy in year 2024, but in 2020 it wasn't a process. Here, the term quick commerce was not as popular, and neither in the US it came into force. E-commerce market was very slow. You had to wait for and to get your favorite things delivered. Indian companies was following a modern adapted from the US, which was storing everything in large warehouses than delivering it to the customers. But this took a lot of time as customers would rather store on the corner of the street rather waiting for it to be live in the someday. So Aditya Palichan, Kailua Vora were born and brought up in Mumbai and met in Dubai. They decided to study in the Silicon Valley for new technology and innovation. So, due of their thought, they have learned the new technology and the education in Silicon Valley. The one of the first project was GoPool, a ride sharing information. This wasn't just a simple project, it became a profitable business. Two 19-year-old founder instinctively click and plan to get a study in the deepen about the technology. During COVID, they came back to India and saw faced the problem by delivering the groceries. Eventually, they sold it to a more than confidence to dive in deep into the technology. Being delivered by the shops, it became late. The duo thought of an idea of helping them and started a business of delivering grocery in 45 minutes, Kirana cart initially. Then later, to deliver the grocery, it initially took off by the US company Instacart, and they have delivered a billion of amount for the contribution as a foreign contribution to the both of the 19-year-old, and they have motivated them in the cloud line to do a business of the Zepto successfully. And in April 2021, Zepto was born and simply mean to deliver a faster was the key focus area for Zepto to work on. Soon as to they get the review from the customers and our next year's venture partner came in gave the Zepto founders the idea, the change in quick commerce. Basically, the quick commerce market works on dark stores. Dark stores basically set up to fulfill the requirement of online orders quickly. Soon as the Nexus venture partner co-founder Subi Sujan suggested to take a technology that is handling the entire process involved. They invested $6.5 million series found in Zepto, and they completed, got into this funding game, and within a time of 6 months, they have changed the series A from the funding series to completed, which means they are doing 1450. Zepto success meaning new competitors came up with did look like the same. The Zepto might ahead, but Zepto prevailed and made it the same. According to sources, Zepto is doing 5,20,000 orders per day from a 360 dark stores, which means they are doing 1450 orders from each stock stores. On the other hand, Swiggy Instamart taking the 6 lakh order per day, it's 490 dark stores, which mean 1225 orders from each dark stores. Zepto 75 dark stores are running profitably. This shows how Zepto is more efficiently working than its competitors. So 75 of the dark stores are moving profitability in Zepto. Zepto aims to become a next DMart of India. But what makes so profitable so fast? Added himself and then said we started Zepto when funding weather was going to the success. Zepto also ensures that the appointed delivery partners from the nearest stores in Coimbatore, the dark stores like Racecourse and Pyramid, they are working and launching the private label brands in just 6 months. And overall, the word within 22 months, they got the profit. They are also working on launching a private label Relish brand just 6 months old. And the same grocery Instacart by the US company. So, from a small startup, they played a major role in customer segments and the cost structure and the customer relationship and the channels they are marketing their products and the revenue streams or everything, how they are handled their business. So, these are the business model canvas for the Zepto. Thank you for watching.